Here is a 77648-AS. This one had some problems with it. I don't think I got a video of it, but I might as well get a video of it now. I have not done a thing to it, and the paint's in really good shape. The blade, I took the grease off on most of it. Sadly, there's a lot of paint that's missing in the blades, but other than that, it's in pretty good shape. This one will clean up well. There's some problems with the rotor. I was going to swap them, but then I figured out that it wouldn't work. Blade needs to be balanced. There's a lot of air. It's really quiet. It is on medium. It is on high. And here it is up. Doesn't have the greatest spin down time because there's not much oil, but that was just for the video. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and that's the 7.7 Emerson. Here's the tag. Focuses. Super clean. I have another one of these that is really clean. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.